Also there, River Gulch, Elevenian Queen, Saba, Sharp Eye, Terrible Friend, boom, 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 while Sambat trails the field. Into the turn they go, Western City, and on the outside now is St. Lipat, matching their strides. 4 lengths away in third comes Beauty Contender. Moving up by the rail now comes Tabaco, then followed by Getting Better. Homer is racing in 6. 7 comes Elevenian Queen, Terrible Friend, River Gulch, Saba, boom, 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 Sharp Eye and Sambat still racing in last. They swing into the back. Tabaco moving up on the outside to take the lead. It's now Tabaco, St. Lipat, Western City, Getting Better. Moving up now is Grand Homer. Tabaco this time by about 3 lengths. Beauty Contender, Grand Homer now coming closer in second. Tabaco, Grand Homer is on the outside. Beauty Contender in third. As they come down to the last 200, Grand Homer takes command. Tabaco is by the rail. Beauty Contender then followed by Elevenian Queen. Last 100 meters, we have Grand Homer by about 2 lengths, followed by Tabaco, and finally Grand Homer, Tabaco, Terrible Friend, Elevenian Queen, Beauty Contender.